Hello, my dear people. Today I'm going to talk about the slicer. It's really helpful for the presentation if you are presenting a data where you are dealing with the categorical data. So here we have a data, state-wise, district-wise MSMEs, and MSMEs are like nothing but it's like micro, small, and medium enterprises. I have downloaded this data from Data Portal, and you'll find the link for the same data in the description box. Just check it out. So here we have two categorical variable. Column 1, we have categories like state names. Column 2, again, we have categories like district names. And this is a numeric. Let's say I want to generate one summary at the state level. How I can make this possible? It's very simple. I have to select all three columns and go to the Insert tab. In the Insert tab ribbon, I'll find this option called Pivot Table. Just click on pivot table, make sure you want, or let's say you just generate this particular table in a new worksheet. And yes, in the rows just keep the state names, and values you should keep this total number of applications. Make sure this is a sum, and if it is not by default coming, then you just at least click here. You can see this a triangle here. Just click on that, the value field setting, and just select sum from there. Then you need a slicer. Okay, just imagine I just want, let's say, chart along with this table, because it chart, it's much more interactive if you are just presenting the data. So the summary at the state level I have created, and I just want a chart. I simply need to click on the table. I'll find pivot table, analyze tab, and in that tab I'll find chart. Column chart is appropriate for this. That's what I assume at this place. Let me just close this pivot chart fields. Just make a placement here. Let me just click on the table, pivot table again, the pivot table area again. This pivot table analyze tab is visible. Click on insert slicer. This is asking me, do you want to, insert the slicer with respect to the state name? Yes, I want. Click here. I'll find the slicer here. The moment I click on any state randomly on a random basis, the entire table and the chart will be displayed as per that click. If I want multiple selection, I simply need to hit this button. Okay, just tap this button, multi-select. Now onwards, you can select multiple category at a time, and you'll find the result accordingly. If you want to make this chart more interactive, click on the chart. If you click on the chart, then you'll see this tabs called format and design. Okay, go to the design. Okay, and select, just add it to your chart. Okay, this way slicer can make your presentation smooth. Good luck.